Those are Matt.
Okay.
Christmas morning 2009. What do you think, Rick?
More cars! More cars!
The radio.
Thank you!
Wow, you getting the whole set?
Thank you,
How many pieces are there? Here, Rick.
No way.
Thank you,
That's
Santa!
Hold on, you're going here, buddy.
Thank you, Santa!
You want to open a big one? No way.
Oh, it's totally
Oh, okay.
Totally. Wait, no, it's 7.
There you go. Stop there. What is it?
It's a shaving kit.
Oh my wow, it's an airplane.
What is it?
Whoa! Show mommy.
Oh,
Whoa.
Janelle, see what Rick got. Show Janelle.
Bless you.
Oh. Wow.
Sweet.
Let me see it.
It's a shaving kit.
You're gonna shave with Daddy then?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Wow.
That's a real
Or Janelle.
great one.
Show Daddy. That's how I taught them how to shave their legs.
Nice. It's a movie. You can say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas. Oh!
Did your voice go on right there?
Merry Christmas.
Next one.
This is to Rick and Matt.
Uh-oh. A double.
Here, start on these sides. It's a game. It's Trouble. I love this game. Remember that? You
Yeah.
push this little button down and it rolls a number, and then you move your piece that many numbers. It's really cool.
And then you
That
can
is a
say,
good one.
uh-oh, I'm in trouble.
All right, garbage pickup.
Yep. Time out for garbage
Pick up the paper and throw it in the bag, please.
before any more presents. All the garbage.
Next to Uncle Henyo.
Should Uncle Henyo open a present? Santa brought one for Uncle Henyo.
Yay,
No
Santa.
way.
Yeah.
Santa must have got lost.
He was checking his list, checking it twice. He found out that Uncle Henyo was sort of kind of nice.
Rick, Matt, and Janelle.
So he got a gift. Hey guys, we're gonna gift Uncle Gene. Check it out.
Good fizz, Karen.
Huh?
Good fizz.
Thank you.
You want me to get the...
Hey, wait, Uncle Gene's gonna open a present. Santa brought a present for Uncle Gene.
Sit next to Uncle Gene. Watch out for that glass though.
Yeah, okay.
Matt, you're definitely in trouble.
Rip it open. Oh.
Wasn't what you thought exactly.
I thought it was a 6-pack.
It is a 6-pack. It is Budweiser.
What is it?
There's sauces. Budweiser
This
sauce.
is the car wash.
Where'd you find that?
This is the
At
car wash.
Budweiser.
It's actually the car
I
wash.
couldn't resist. I know, but we're supposed
It's
to get.
actually the car wash, Shelly.
The boys gave it to you.
Mom, it's actually the
Hey
car
Matt,
wash.
that one's got your name on it, and Rick.
Thank you,
yours
Santa.
looks the same. Why don't you open them together?
Where'd you find that?
Matt,
Budweiser
let's open
site?
No,
Huh?
Mike's hot sauces or something. What is it?
Wow!
Wow, that's so
You got an
cool.
umbrella for the rain?
Watch out, watch out.
Oh, the sunshine.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Rick, yours is blue and Matt's is red.
How about that?
But they're saying this one's Spider-Man.
Yeah, they're both Spider-Mans. You
Oh,
want to open them up once and then we'll put them away?
yes.
Not bad luck.
Probably.
How are my hands?
Better than beating each other senseless.
Did you know today is a no fire day?
I did, but my wife obviously
Like
did not.
Penny the Dream.
That's a bunch of crap.
And they can come by, they'll only give you a warning today, but there's a fine
Who
attached.
gives the warnings out?
They have the
I'm gonna pay
job
somebody over.
creation to go around and see who has fires.
Spider-Man inside.
Matthew, say Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Say it to the camera. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right, you did good.
You'd be a complete trip to go knock on someone's door and say you're not supposed to have a fire on Christmas
Hey
Day.
Matt, look at this one. Santa brought you a huge one.
No way.
Oh, what is it?
Here, Matt.
What the heck is in there?
Wow.
Here, pull this.
What's that, Matt?
Totally ripped the thing off.
Wow, it's Gorilla Mountain. Look at it.
Yeah, we saw that. I've seen this before.
Where'd you
Oh
see
my
it?
God.
Rick knows everything.
Some cool stuff.
Some Toy Story. Oh, wow, Matt.
You know, watch this. Come here. Come here and watch this.
And hey, Matt, look. I think your airplane goes along with this set.
Yeah.
Where's your airplane at?
It's right there.
Cool.
All right.
You know, watch this. Watch this. If you